What is CNC?
CNC, Computer Numerical Control Machining. It regulates, optimizes, and records a machine moving objects. Each worker has his own skills and abilities. This job is not easy. You need focus, memorizing. Every press you make must be followed properly without mistakes.
Every worker or employee has different work experience. You may know something about that part, and I also have knowledge that you don't know.
This job is not easy. You need focus and memorization of each button. You must be correct and memorize.
I like this job because I do the setup and operation.
Each step is delicate. You must memorize it. This job is only at night.
I worked this job for almost 3 years.
You need to close the window tightly so as not to damage the product.
Hindi ka maring magkamali, dahiling bawa, produkto na bahagian, isang mamahaling katsa ay napakamaho.
You need to make sure you hold it tightly so that it doesn't fall off.
This is what came out of the machine, and this is what I did.